Out of 175. Hey, no money in the middle. 175. 175 now with the 2. 175 now with the 2. On the motor, last call. 175 now with the 2. You okay? So 175 number.
3623.
Around the money now, but thinking about here now, but I'll take 375, last call. I'm gonna hit 375, 400. Look, 4 wives and 13 kids. You will not starve out again. Put it on the money now, what are you thinking about now? I'm gonna go, let's go now, I'm gonna go, put it on the money now, what are you thinking about here? Put it on the money now, I'm gonna get 2 now, I'm gonna get 275 now, I'm gonna get 3 now, I'm gonna get 275 now, I'm gonna get 3. So, 275, 80, 99. We hit it, 650, 650, 650, short 625, short 625, what's your number, short 625. I'm gonna go through, short 275, 80, 99, got it. Put it on the money now, what are you thinking about here? 5 and a quarter now, I'm gonna go 50, short 5 and a quarter, short 5 and a quarter. $250 now, gonna go 275. You know, done. $250 now, gonna go 275. Last call, gotta go. Short 250, short 250. $600 now, gonna go quarter. Short $600. Short $600. $100 now, gonna pick it about here. Let's go now. Hey, come on out, look at this car. It's a hybrid. The 50 last call, gotta go. Shoot, 825. $500 now, you know, that's it, $500. 313. Check your rows. Hey, you got it. Put it on the money now, what are you thinking about? Put it on the money now, what are you thinking about now? I'm gonna go, let's go. 315, D15, what do you got? I'm gonna go 350, all in, all done, last call. 3 and a quarter now, I'm gonna go 50. Check 325. Put it on the money now. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? I'm gonna go. Let's go. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? I'm gonna go. Let's go. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? Salvage title. 1100 now. I'm gonna go 12 now. I'm gonna go 1100 now. I'm gonna go 12.
Nope.
You got me?
Okay.
We decide that. Anybody want that for 12? Hey. 49.75 now, I'm gonna go 5. All in, all down, last call, gotta go. So, 49.75, remember.
Yeah, he ran that shit. I know, he was like, this is my last bid.
Wow.
Me.
Right behind you, bro. I'm gonna turn around and talk.
Shit, my bad, bro.
If you touch me, you go to jail. You touch me.
Rock and roll.
Fucking guy.
Fucking dying. You touch me, you're going to jail.
All in, all done, last call. 1800 to 1850. So, 1800. $12.50. $12.50. All in, all done. So, Quarter to the knee guy. Put it on the money now, we're taking it out now, let's go. Put it on the money now, we're taking it out, we're giving it away. Now to the quarter now, we're going to put 50 down twice. Last call. Now to the quarter now, we're going to put 50. All in all done. Check. Now in the quarter.
P, there you go, P. Don't go over there, P.
50 now, we're going to put 38. Last call. Now to the roll. Check. 37.50. Easy on now. We got the star of the show. Hey, easy. We got the star of the show. Put it in the money now in the car. Down in the quarter now, I'm going to put 50. Last call. Now to go. Check down in the quarter. Check down in the quarter. Out for the dog. Hey, this is you, bro. Okay, we're not going to sell this car today. Thanks for coming. Number 1958, 1958, 139, 1958, 139. No, I have 139. No, I was asking you for 14 3 times. No. We sold the car, 139. I asked you 5 times for 14. I asked you 5 times for 14.
Red's trying to keep it for himself.
Red, get him!
13, 12.50 now, I'm going to put 13. 12.50 now, I'm going to put 13 now, I'm going to go all in, all down. Last call, 12.50 now, I'm going to put 13. You're going to be 12.75. 12.50 now, I'm going to go 12.50. Put it on the money now, what are you thinking about here? Put it on the money now, what are you thinking about now? I'm gonna go, let's go. Put it on the money now, what are you thinking about now? I'm gonna go round. Put it on the money now, what are you thinking about little round? Put it on the money now, what are you thinking about now?
Alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We should have bid it on the van. We actually could have won it. It sold for like 37 something. Was a pretty good deal. However, I just been looking a lot at Copart lately. I don't know, I'm kind of hooked on the Copart auction. Literally could have got that van for like 37 and made some money off of it, toured it out or whatever the case was, but we always have more auctions. So I figure the more you save your bread, the more you'll have, and you'll eventually come across something better than you seen here at this auction today. So as always guys, peace, and I'll catch you on the next one.